Hello students, today we will learn rounding of the numbers to nearest 10, 100 and 10,000, but we will start from 10. But before starting, let me discuss something with you. Do you know where we are using rounding of the numbers in our daily routine life? We use it while estimating. We're estimating some things that we will need or estimating the cost of something. So let me give you some examples. First examples is like if you want to go to market and want to purchase a book, a copy and one pencil, which costs altogether rupees 87. Okay, so will you bring only rupees 87 with you? No, you will take at least 100 rupees with you. You will take money in round off. Here we use the round off. Then second example, you have your birthday party. You have your birthday after 2-3 days and you want to throw a party on it. So you will need some chocolates definitely, no? So you have counted your friends, your teachers and your cousins. So if you have 40 classmates, you have 30 teachers and you have 5 cousins, then total chocolates you will need are 75. So will you bring only 75 chocolates for your birthday? No, you will bring at least 100 chocolates. Okay, this is also round off. This is also an example of round off. One more example, like you have purchased a dress for you and it costs rupees 1030. Your friend asks, wow, your dress is so beautiful. How much it cost? Will you tell her 1030? No. We just say, yeah, it's around 1000. Okay. So again we have done it round off. In this way we use rounding off in our daily routine life. Now we will learn how to round off the number to their nearest 10. Like first example we take 35. 38. Okay. When we round off any number and we have to round off in 10, we will see first that which two tens it comes between. Like 38 comes between 30 and 40. Okay. Now if we write counting from 30 to 40. And 40. And where is 38? 38 is here. It comes between 30 and 40 and 38 is here. It's more near than it's more near to 40 than 30. So it will be round off to 40. Okay. This line we don't have to write always, but for understanding I am telling you, if we write the counting and we say 38, it comes near 40, nearest 10, no? So nearest 10, this is far and this is near. So nearer 10 is 40, so we rounded off it to 40. Now we will take other number, like it's 63. So it falls between 60 to 70, right? So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68, 69 and 70. 63 is here. Which is the nearest 10? 60 or 70? It is 60. So we will round it off to 60. Okay. So whenever any number, see, whenever we have to, this was the understanding process. But now we have to do it in short. Like we have a number 47 to round off. We have to see its ones place. If its ones place is more than 5, then we will round it off to the next, means 50. And if it's less than 5, then we will round it to 40. 7 is more than 5, no? So we will round it off to 50. Now the question comes, what if it is 45? 44 will be rounded off to 40. 46 will be rounded off to 50. What about 45? So beta, that is a rule that if 5, that will also go with the next number. Okay. So whenever we have to round off any number to 10, like if we have 3273 and we have to round it to nearest 10, we don't need to touch these numbers. We will see only this number, ones place number. It is 3 less than 5. It is less than 5, no? So then we will see to this number. If it is less than 5, it will be rounded off to 3270. Okay, and if it is 4287, here 7 is more than 5, so it will be increased. 4290. This is the way we round off any number in tens. Now we comes to hundreds. How we round off the number to 100? Like we have a number 157. In tens, we see first number only, but for hundreds we will consider the two numbers. If they are more than 50 or more than 50, then it will go on to next 100. Or if that is 49 or lower, then it will come to the last hundreds. Like 157 falls between 100 and 200. But this is more than 50. It is more than 50, no? So we will round it off to 200. If we have 738, then 38 is less than 50 and 738 falls between 700 and 800. So 38 is less than 50, no? So we will round it off to 700 only. Okay, one more example we will see. If it is 2350, then what? Again we will leave the other number, they will be same, and just we will consider the last two digits. They are 50. So yes, 50 is also rounded off to next 100. So because this is 50 or more than 50, we will increase this number by 1 and they will be both 0. Okay, so this is the way we round off in 100. Now we come to thousands. Now we come to thousands. Rounding off the numbers to nearest thousands. Okay, like we have the number 2350. We will consider its 3 digits. But firstly we have to see between which 2000 it falls. This is 2300. So obviously it is more than 2000. It falls between 2000 and 3000. Okay. Now we have to consider its 3 digits. If they are less than 500, then they will be rounded off to the last 1000. And if they are 500 or more, they will be rounded off to next number. Now 350 is less than 500, no? So we will round it off to the 2000. So our answer here is 2000. 2350 will be rounded off as 2000. Okay? Now we take another example. 3850. Okay, it falls between 3000 and 4000. And we will consider these 3 digits. 850 is obviously more than 500. Okay, so if this is more than 500, we will consider the next 1000. So it will be rounded off to 4000. One more example. If it is 5500, then what? It falls between 5000 and 6000. And 500 will also go to next, like 5500 now. So if it is 500 or more, it will be considered as next 1000. So its rounded off will be 6000. And if it is 6499, then what? It falls between 6000 and 7000, right? 499 is less than 500, so it will be rounded off to 6000 only. And just next number, 6500 will be rounded off to 700. Let me give you one more altogether example. We can round off a single number in tens, hundreds and thousand also. 3273. We will round it off firstly in nearest 10. We will consider only this number. 3 is less than 5, no? So it will be rounded off 73, where it falls between 70 and 80. Okay, so 3 is less than 5, we will round it off to 70. So our answer is 3270. Understand? Now nearest 100. For nearest 100, we will consider the digits, but firstly we will find where it falls in hundreds. In hundreds, it falls between 200 and 300, and 73 is more than 50. 73 is more than 50, so it will be considered as 300. So here 200 will be converted to 300. So it is 3300 when rounded off in 100. Now in 1000. When we do it in 1000, we will first see where it falls. It falls between 3000 and 4000. Okay, and we will consider these three digits 273. This is less than 500, no? So because less than 500, so it will be rounded off to 3000 only. 3000. In this way, we can round off the numbers to nearest tens, hundreds and thousand. You have to remember only 5, 50 and 500. When rounding off to 10, 5 or more than 5 will go to the next 10. When rounding off to hundreds, then 50 or more than 50 will go to next 100. And if rounding off to 1000, then 500 or more than 500 will go to next 1000. Okay, thank you.